Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tire pressure gauges that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AstroAI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge 2-pack. This compact and portable gauge is perfect for those who value simplicity and reliability. It features a rugged stainless steel body that resists rust and corrosion, making it ideal for long-term use. The precision-crafted nozzle ensures accurate readings within plus or minus 2% span, and the inclusion of 4 valve stem caps is a thoughtful touch for easy replacement. This pencil gauge measures tire pressure in 3 units: PSI, bar, and kPa, with a range of 10 to 75 PSI. The 4-sided ABS indicator bar provides clear readings, though it's worth noting that exceeding the maximum pressure can permanently damage the device. The design of the AstroAI pencil gauge is highly user-friendly. Its pocket-sized form factor and integrated pocket clip make it easy to carry and access, whether you're on a road trip or performing routine vehicle maintenance. Additionally, its battery-free design ensures hassle-free operation in all weather conditions. However, the lack of a digital display might be a drawback for users who prefer more modern options. Overall, this gauge is an affordable and durable choice for everyday use, especially for cars, motorcycles, and SUVs. While it doesn't offer advanced features, its reliability and ease of use make it a great entry-level option. If you need a no-frills tool that gets the job done, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the ETENWOLF Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 2-pack. If you're someone who values precision and durability, this industrial-grade gauge is a strong contender. Calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A standards with plus or minus 0.5% accuracy, this model delivers exceptional reading accuracy across a wide range of pressures, from 3 to 200 psi. It's equipped with an AI chip for thermal compensation, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The package includes 2 gauges, offering great value for households with multiple vehicles or professional use cases. The design is robust yet stylish, featuring a sturdy plastic build that can withstand the occasional mishap. Yes, even being run over by a car. The replaceable AAA batteries are a practical touch, extending the gauge's lifespan and making maintenance easy. Integrated LED lighting allows for convenient use in low-light conditions, and the auto shut-off feature helps conserve battery life. However, some users may find the lack of advanced connectivity options like Bluetooth limiting compared to higher-end models. This gauge is perfect for pickups, RVs, and heavy-duty vehicles, thanks to its durable construction and wide pressure range. While not the most compact option, its reliability and performance in extreme conditions make it ideal for demanding users. If accuracy and ruggedness are your top priorities, the ETENWOLF Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the AstroAI Pro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This premium gauge combines professional-grade accuracy with robust construction, making it a standout option for serious vehicle enthusiasts. Calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A standards, it delivers accuracy within +1 psi, ensuring reliable readings across a massive range of 3 to 250 psi. The 13-inch rubber hose and rotatable brass nozzle offer excellent sealing performance and flexibility, while the integrated deflation valve allows for quick adjustments. The gauge also supports multiple units of measurement: PSI, bar, kPa, and kilograms centimeter squared, adding to its versatility. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a solid brass body with a silicone protective cover that absorbs impacts and prevents damage. The backlit LED display ensures readability even in dim conditions, and the auto shut-off feature conserves battery life. The included accessories, like valve core caps and a storage bag, enhance the overall user experience. While this gauge is highly capable, its larger size and higher price point might not appeal to casual users looking for a simple solution. This product is ideal for those who need precision and durability, whether you're maintaining a fleet of vehicles or tackling off-road adventures. Its advanced features make it suitable for cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, and even industrial vehicles. If you're looking for a top-tier tire pressure gauge with professional-grade performance, the AstroAI Pro is worth the investment. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. This all-in-one solution combines a tire pressure gauge, inflator, and deflation system, making it the ultimate multifunctional tool for vehicle enthusiasts. Professionally calibrated for accuracy within 1%, it delivers precise readings across a wide range of 3 to 250 psi. The heavy-duty design features stainless steel and brass components, ensuring durability and reliability even under pressure. Its leak-proof locking chuck is compatible with Schrader valves, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, RVs, and more. The user experience is seamless, thanks to its intuitive digital display with 0.1 psi resolution. The gauge automatically powers on when pressurized air is detected and shuts off after 20 seconds of inactivity, conserving battery life. The package includes essential accessories like an air chuck, hose, and bleed valve, all of which enhance its functionality. While the AstroAI digital gauge is slightly heavier than other options, its robust construction and versatile features more than make up for it. This product is ideal for anyone who wants a professional-grade tool that can handle tire inflation, deflation, and pressure measurement with ease. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or someone who takes road safety seriously, the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a must-have. Its advanced features and durable build make it the best choice on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.